Hello everyone. Today, we will explain how to apply for eTA, i.e. Electronic Travel Authorization for Kenya. Before we begin, let me tell you, post-January 1st, 2024 Kenya has replaced eVisa with eTA for travelers visiting the country. This process is much easier and makes it more convenient for travelers. If anyone had applied for eVisa before the 1st of January 2024 and has a valid eVisa already, it will still be valid for your travel to Kenya. Now, without further ado, let's begin with the Kenya Electronic Travel Authorization. Go to the official website for Kenya. You can find the link to the website in the description as well. Here you can find all the information required for applying for eTA. You can read through the general information or FAQs if you have any queries. Anyhow, we will cover the important topics in this video. Click on the Apply Now button. You can read through the details on how to apply. You will need a passport valid for at least 6 months, a photograph, accommodation confirmation proof, and a credit card for payment. Click on Continue. Select Declaration of Consent and Continue. You have 2 options to apply for eTA, either an individual application or a group application. We will be selecting individual applications. Select your country of residence and continue. Upload a valid passport. You can review your passport details. Once reviewed, select the checkbox and continue. Now upload your photograph. Instead, you can just capture a photograph using your webcam in real time. Click Use this photo. Enter your contact information. This should be a simple one. Enter your travel information, like arrival and departure date, arriving from and departing to the country, and your flight details. For the address in Kenya, if you have booked accommodation, please enter the details. If not, you can even book accommodation with the Pay Later option and enter the details. You will need a booking confirmation proof to be uploaded in a later step. Select Add Address in case of multiple accommodations. Click Continue once completed. Fill out general information about you. Again, this should be a simple one. Click Continue. Declare your customs and click Continue. Upload your flight tickets and accommodation proof and select Continue. Confirm declaration and continue. You will be redirected to the payment option. Select the standard processing option, which costs $32.50 and continue. You can check your payment summary by clicking View Summary. An additional bank fee of $1.59 will be added to the amount. Complete your payment using your credit card. Once payment is completed, you will receive a receipt. And once your eTA is processed, you will receive it in your email. You can download the same. You can also check your application status by going to the home page of the website and clicking on Check Your Application. I hope this video helps you for getting your ETA for Kenya. For any further queries, please comment on the video below. Happy traveling, and please subscribe We the Travelers and help us create more content for the travelers like you around the world.